strung out, hungover, crashing hard. Man, I got a confession to make, guys. I'm addicted to wheelies. Yeah, I'm ashamed. Side effects include euphoria, road rash, broken bones, bumps and bruises. But the plus side is you can overcome depression. The euphoria is a real thing. You get over that depression. Let's get out on the road. It's raining on your boy. World's worst timing. World's worst timing. I'm mad. It's gonna be a short ride. Unless the freaking rain stops. God dang it. But I set all this up. I'm gonna get out. See you guys on the road. Oh, but underdog. Turn off your anti-lock brakes. You're gonna die. Did I say? You were correct. Alright. A little rain never hurt anybody except for all the people it killed washing out in corners. Yes, your boy, Underdog, running into cars in live action. Live action, pre-recorded, which technically, guys, is not live action. Yeah. Disclaimer, not live action. So yes, I'm addicted. Woo! Euphoria! Woo! Side effect number 1. I do not want to show you the other side effects live today. Sure, like road rash, broken bones. Not today, not today. I've paid my dues. I've paid my dues. Hey, Wheelie Club ain't free. You gotta pay your dues in time or in blood, or both. I'm not lying. Woo! In time or in blood. Woo! I'm still working on it, guys. In my last video, you would know that I may have actually hit that goal down to the split second. So, I mean, I really just need to solidify that. Maybe make it a little more obvious that that was actually 20 seconds. Because, man, like I said, it's down to the split second. Depending on how you cut it, that was exactly 20 seconds. And I'm telling you, it's so close that I couldn't even tell you for sure. Like I said in one of my pictures I posted, is it 19.88 or was it 20? Whew, so flipping close. So flipping close. It's tangible. It's real. But hey, my goodness. Woo! And the weather was so beautiful. Like, the temp is so flippin' perfect. I just wanted to get out, but I couldn't. It takes so long to gear up, guys. I got so much gear. Somebody's not playing around in the rain, guys. Or I am playing around in the rain. I'm serious about my playing around is what I'm trying to say. Alright. So, the rain really sucks, guys. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really hoping it'll pass. Because right now, really for this hour was the highest chance of rain. And really, it went down the next hour and then way back up. So I am hoping, guys, I'm hoping that this is passing. Clearing. Woo, fudge you. I got so crooked right off the pop. Woo. Road's wet. Road is wet. I'm not getting traction. So if I was wondering how these tires are in the rain, that's an early indicator. No bueno. So I tried to pop and the bike actually just went sideways. Actually like wipe out trying to clutch one up. That's how much the tires slipped on me. Not good. And this is a little bit of an older road surface. That was new asphalt they put down back there, and that, I will tell you, was extremely slippery. The tire had absolutely no lock on it whatsoever. Fudge it. West Virgin Road. No frickin' way. Oh wow. Alright. Let's wait till I get a clearing. Come on, go. Okay, go. 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 Okay, there we go. Alright. My God. Okay. That's perfect, man. That's perfect. I enjoyed it a lot. I'd say let's carry this hill one more time. Alright guys, that's the way we do it. Okay, I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. Underdog can kill himself. Okay, yeah. Let's freaking quit while we're ahead. A little more exploration of this road though. Wow. Wowie guys. I started that wheelie on the flat and then got into the hill. Because of that, by the time I reached the top of the hill, I had higher RPM, so who knows if I broke that 20-second wheelie, but I took 2 passes at that road this time. Nice little curve. Oh. shit. I did not mean it to go out that far. Okay. Let's turn around in a minute. Okay. Probably there. There it goes. Okay, so okay. Okay, so almost. Oh God, don't turn like that. Oh, yeah, it's bringing back that pain. Yeah, I can't turn like that. I heard something last night at work. Clearly I injured something at work. Okay, so I almost had the balance point chilling. Oh crud, I caught the downslope. It was pulling me too hard. I had a good pop too. This road is very this and that way. One more decent pass. I feel good. My second gear was getting up there a little bit. And like I had at least one that I was really coming close to just holding that balance point. Okay, so I keep hitting it for just a second and I need to trust it. Let's give it a rest, man. Okay, let's go retrieve the drone. We still got eyeball, we're doing good. I'm flying it directly into these trees over here. Oh man. Yeah, okay. Okay. I almost want to see what that one thing is, but there's like kind of like signs of life over there. Maybe today's not today. Okay. This is cool. It'll still follow you in orbit mode. Hey buddy, baby, come back. Manual steering. Come, da-da-da. Boom. Thank you, bud. We wheelied that curve that time. Alrighty then, thanks for coming out on the ride today. As you can see, I'm thoroughly addicted to the wheels up action. Man, wheelies do have many horrible side effects, if not used as directed, but they have their benefits too. Please always be careful, wear your proper safety gear. You never know when you're gonna have a real messed up day. Thanks for coming out on the ride. This was Underdog Moto Mania. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my content. It helps me out more than you know. Until next time, guys, ride safe. Yeah.